turns, his face alight with a wide, genuine smile that speaks of friendship and understanding. His eyes sparkle with conviction as he prepares to share a profound truth. If you understand, love them, then the dragons can be friends, Hiccup declares, his voice ringing with heartfelt sincerity. His words hang in the air, a hopeful echo across the land where dragons and humans now coexist in harmony. Under the bright Berk sun, Vikings and dragons live in harmony, their laughter echoing through the bustling village. A shared feast unfolds, where Vikings and dragons dine side by side, showcasing their unique bond.